Hello friends, in this session we will discuss about amount received from provident fund exemption. Most of the time you see provident fund is received at the time of retirement. So this is one of the benefit of retirement which is given by employer to employee. We have already discussed some of the retirement benefits like pension, we have discussed gratuity, we have discussed earn leave concept, we have discussed from exemption point of view. So we will discuss in this session provident fund exemption, which comes under section 10 subsection 11, and there is another section subsection 12. So it is categorized into three parts. First is statutory provident fund. If the provident fund scheme is coming under statutory provident fund, then whatever amount employee is getting or have got will be allowed as total exempted. Then if a provident fund scheme is under recognized provident fund, then exemption full amount will be allowed as exemption, but the condition is the duration of service is continuous 5 years. The employee is supposed to work there for at least 5 years, then only in the case of RPF recognized this provident fund amount will be allowed as exemption. Then in third case, unrecognized provident fund, these are the provident fund scheme which are not into the in the knowledge of commissioner of income tax, which are not, or also you can say which are not approved by commissioner of income tax. So these provident fund schemes are categorized as unrecognized provident fund. So I think you understand this. You have already understood this. The recognized provident fund schemes are which are approved by commissioner of income tax. Unrecognized provident fund schemes are which are not approved by income tax commissioner. So in this case, exemption will be based on certain things. Like first thing is, if there is employer contribution, then employer contribution will be taxable under the head of income from salary. And if interest is also there, second thing is interest on employer's contribution. Whatever amount employer has contributed towards this unrecognized provident fund and interest is also coming on that, then it will also be taxable. There is no exemption from the income tax department in this particular thing. Then the third thing is employee contribution. You would be knowing about this, that provident fund contribution is in two way, that employers also contribute into that particular fund, employees also supposed to contribute in provident funds. So employees contribution, if we talk about, so there is full exemption on that particular thing in the case of unrecognized provident fund. Whatever amount employee is contributing towards unrecognized provident fund, exemption will be allowed by Government of India. Then fourth thing is interest on employees contribution. Whatever amount employee has contributed towards unrecognized provident fund, if interest is coming on that, and in that case that interest is not exempted, there will be taxable, that amount will be taxable under the head income from other sources. So in this way you can calculate exemption on amount received from provident fund. I think this will help you all. Thank you.